52 centimeters. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. Other than going out exploring, board driving, fishing, we're going to be working on the GQ Patrol. So basically we're going to be getting under here with the gurney, cleaning out all under here, all on the chassis, all the rails, everything, trying to get all the dirt out. Now that we've finished washing the underbody with the gurney, we'll let it dry now and see how it turns out. Hopefully it turns out good. But yeah, gurneyed all up underneath. Got a lot of gunk out from underneath and a lot of red dirt. Just all stuff built up over time. So yeah, let's hope that it comes out clean. Obviously you guys could tell that the exhaust is only unbolted like halfway, because we unbolted the muffler off it and we have the 3 inches sitting in the shed at the moment, which hopefully we're going to put on tomorrow. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So yeah, hopefully the new exhaust can go on tomorrow. Make it nice big 3-inch exhaust. So yeah, hopefully that will go on tomorrow.
A little later. The next day. The next morning.
Hey guys, welcome back. So a little update on the rear setup in the back. I've kind of done a little bit off camera. So basically, this is what it's looking at the moment. We have our drawer that, at the moment we are putting our drawer slides in. We have our fridge slide. And then also underneath we've put under some slats so everything can sit under. We don't have to drill into the body. So yeah, there's been done a little bit off camera, but yeah, we'll keep you guys up to date now. So yeah, let's get into it. Hey guys, it's the next day once again. We didn't have a lot of time last night, so we didn't get much filming done, as I just wanted to get everything done that I could and possibly within that time I had. So basically what we're up to now is we've got both slides in. Comes out pretty far. So, and then we're working on, now that we've got both slides in, we're working on the actual drawer part. So we got the base done. We got one of the sides done, one of the faces marked up, and then the other side's marked up now. So yeah, we'll get into it and we'll keep you guys tracked. Now that we have both our sides and the bottom done, we're gonna start doing together the drawer, and then so we can work out the measurements for the back and then the front. And I've figured out an idea for the front. So with these slides, I've got lockable slides. So I'm gonna make it flush with the timber, with the box, and then leave a little like square cutout so you can get your fingers in there easily and unlock the slides and then pull it out. So yeah, we're gonna start putting the actual drawer together, and then yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. So yeah guys, now we've got the sides and the bottom all stuck on. So now the next thing is to work out measurements for the back piece so we can have a back piece running straight through and strengthen it. Yeah, so all I did was with the side pieces, run a bit of glue along there and then run screws through there, all along the bottom. So yeah, it came out pretty nice. So yeah, we'll keep going and we'll keep you guys in touch. Hey guys, so now we've got the back piece on and now it's looking like a box. So next of all, we're gonna take the box, we're gonna screw it onto the slides so then we can get measurements for the front bit. And then we can make the front bit really flush with this. And then once we carpet it, it will be nice and flush with the outside box. So yeah, we'll get going on that one now.
1 week later.
Hey guys, so it's been a little bit since the last filming and we've done a little bit more off camera. So basically what we have now is the drawer fully built and carpeted. And also we've ordered in some new halos, a switch panel, and that's all rocked up yesterday. So we're installing that today. While Ryan's over here working on the wiring for the new halos. Going in there, the new Bushduff 7-inch halos. Yeah, at the back here, I'm working on the switch panel, putting the little box for it. So basically, this is one of the floors for it. And then we have our front wall, which is we're gonna mount the switchboard on. Jack's done a little bit of play. Yeah, so basically all we bought was the Superior Engineer 4-way switch panel. And basically we're gonna just have it sideways. We're gonna flip them around so they're front ways and then you can just switch them off from that. So yeah, basically we're just working on the wheel arch compartment at the moment where we can run the fuse box, which we bought earlier this morning. Just a Navarro switch box. So yeah, let's get into it.
Hey guys, today we're installing some new Bushduff 7-inch circular lights for the GQ, and yeah, so we're gonna run all these wires and stuff. Run all these wires so Flynn can have colourful lights. But yeah, the lights from Bushduff actually look extremely good. Good quality and everything. Yeah, all fun and games.
since we left off the last video, as we've been very busy with Christmas and everything. But yeah, what we've been working on lately, we finished the switchboard where the switchboard sits. So that's basically still on the wheel arch like that. So yeah, so where we left it off last time was with the new halos and us buying the switchboard and the finishing the drawer. But now we have bought a new UHF yesterday, a UDN escape package. So yeah, at the moment I'm working on installing that. But yeah, I'll give you a quick rundown of what the back's looking like at the moment. We've got the new halos in. It didn't take us too long. But yeah, the drawer is all done. So basically where the switch panel's going to go is it's going to sit flush against here. And then it's going to be a wheel arch compartment so you can storage and stuff. But yeah, fully done now. Just got to put a few more screws into it so we can get it done. But yeah, we'll get that going done. We'll keep you guys updated with the UHF.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're continuing on with the drawer setup build in the back here. So basically last time where we left it off was 2 months ago, something like that. I've done a little bit more off camera now. So at the moment we've got the fridge in now because we went for a drive in the other weekend at Kuna. We took it out for the first time and yeah, it went pretty good. Yeah, and then got the drawer all in, and we've started to do the switchboard boxes, and then the air compressor box, which I just bought a new air compressor the other day, an airbag one. So today, what we're going to be trying to achieve is getting the boxes done. And also, after we took it to Kuna, we found out that there's some holes that haven't been plugged up from when we took the seats out. So I'm going to have to rip out everything and find those holes because some water got in and we don't want water getting in. So yeah, the air compressor I bought the other day, it's just a nice little good one by Airbag Man. Yeah, so we'll get into it and hopefully we can get it all done today. I'm not sure if we will, but yeah. Hey guys, now that we've plugged all the holes and everything, we got under that car with some silicone, just stuck the fingers up and just plugged it a bit. But yeah, now we're just gonna start putting it set up back together and start hopefully working on the air compressor cabinet if we have time. But yeah, we'll see how we go with time. Hey guys, we're back with another part of building the patrol setup in the back. So basically today, what we're up to now after yesterday, how we plugged the holes of silicone, we're trying to get the rest of the storage boxes done. So we got the fuse box and electric box all kind of done. Now we just got to do the top for it. And then, but today we're going to be trying to work on the air compressor box. So basically what I've done so far is cut out a template because I'm going to run it. It's going to be a kind of big box. It's going to be from here all the way back to there. So yeah. And then there's a weird cutout there which I have to like make a template for, so it's easier. So I made the template there. So yeah, we'll get into it and hopefully we can get it done today. So guys, now that we've cut the bottom bit and everything, we've just put it in place and guess what? It fits bloody amazing. Now all we're gonna do is this back wall, bring that up until flush with this and then screw it all in. So yeah, let's get that back wall done. So now that we've finished the back wall, and look, that is beautiful. I don't think I've ever seen. Well, there is like a little bit of a gap, but still, I'm not gonna get it perfect. But yeah, that is really good, I reckon. So now we just gotta screw it in all together, and then we'll work on the tops. And then so yeah, let's get in there. We're almost done. So guys, now we've put the whole box together and in place now, and this is what it's looking like. Looks really good and I'm super happy with it. We unfortunately don't have enough screws or anything to do the top bit today, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit till we can get some screws in. So yeah, we'll be back probably, I don't know, say a day or so maybe, until we get some more screws and we can do that final bit. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back. It's been a while since we did a little build on the rear draw setup. Currently, what we are trying to do today is do the tops of this front electrical box and the air compressor box. We're trying to put little tops on them. And then also just before, we had to put new sway bar rear links on the sway bars as the old ones were pretty buggered. Don't take that, buddy. Jack trying to steal this. But yeah, I'll show you guys underneath of the new sway bar links that we just put on. So yeah, both sides we just put them on. The old ones are pretty buggered, so we had to replace them. So yeah.